Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Subscribers, I appreciate you. New viewers, you guys gotta subscribe so that you get awesome recipes like this, which is a Mr. B Drinks recipe. Tonight we're remixing Old Fashioned, and we're gonna make it a pumpkin spice Old Fashioned. So, to make an Old Fashioned, we need some bitters, need some bourbon or rye, and then to make it the pumpkin spice, we need some pumpkin spice. And we'll need a chilled glass and some ice. All right, so I have my chilled glass with 3 blocks of ice. First things first, I'm going to do 2 dashes of bitters. 1, 2. On top of that, I'm going to add my bourbon, 3/4 of an ounce. On top of that, I'm going to add the Bailey's pumpkin spice, and this is 1.5 ounces. Give that a gentle swirl. And there you go. A old-fashioned pumpkin spice. A little remix for the fall and the holiday occasions that go there. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell when you subscribe so you get those alerts. And otherwise, check back for the next video. And as always, take care. Peace.